بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوا هەردام کوتا بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوا هەردام لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین چرادا دەگرتێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین چرادا دەگرتێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە.
Hi everyone, how are you? Now I am going to present a new programs about Sunrise 5 for grade 5. I think this program is very useful for you. Let's start. Let's start with Unit 12, Lesson 1. Unit 12, Lesson 1 is about the words for country. It's about the words for country. There's a mountain. What is it? This one is mountain. Look at this picture. This one is lake. What is it? Lake. Okay? And look at here. There are trees. What are they? Trees. Look at here. This picture is hill. Hill. And look at here. This one is bridge. And you have many parts. Words for country. Okay? And look at another word. This word is forest. Look at this picture. Forest. And there's a river. Look at this picture. There's a river. Okay? Let's go to the number to talk about the picture. It's about the picture, the river and the mountain. She said there's one girl and one boy. There's the river is near the town. The river is near the town. What about the mountain? The mountains are, why we use R here? Because we have as mountains. We have many mountains, okay? And we should use R. R is for plural, okay? Mountains are a long way from the town. And there are 3 bridges. Because we have 3 bridges, you should use R, okay? There are 3 bridges. And for plural, you should use what? R, okay? For singular, you should use is, R. What's the difference between is and R? Is for singular and R for plural, okay? Let's go to another page, Unit 12, Lesson 1. Work out gesture for each word, act and say. Look at her hands. Just like a diagram. Gesture, it means you can act the word, for example, mountain. She acted mountain with her hands, okay? So, and she said, what is it? What is it? What is this gesture? He said, it's a mountain, okay? And she said, that's right, it's a mountain, okay? Do you know what's gesture? It means just like a picture, how to present your picture and to show your diagram. Just like a mountain, okay? Number 4, we have another pictures. There's a sheep. What is it? Sheep, fish, cows, boy. And we have birds. And there are some peoples here, okay? And if you look at here, and there's a ask and answer. Where's the sheep? Where is the sheep? Where's the sheep? It's near the tree. It is near the tree, okay? There is a question and there's an answer. Unit 12, listen to as conversations. They are making conversations together, okay? Unit 12, they are making conversation. She said, let's go back and look for Oliver. They are looking for Oliver, okay? And they said, okay. And he said, where am I? This is dangerous. He is Oliver. Okay, where am I? This is dangerous. Go to the third picture. Third picture. He said, we were here. I was on the phone. We were here. Look at the sentence. We were here and I was on the phone. What's the difference between were and was? Were, it's for past, yeah, and was, it's for past. But if we have we should use were. If you have I, you should use was. And were is for plural, was for singular. He was. You can say he was, she was, it was, I was. And what about were? You should say we were, you were, they were, if you have 2 nouns, 3 nouns, okay? And if you have plural, you should use were. If it is singular, you should use was, okay? And if you look at this picture, Oliver said, help, help me, okay? Look at here, what was that? She said, what was that? And he said, Oliver, where are you? Oliver, where are you? Okay? They want to find Oliver. Unit 12, listen to. There are ask and answer. On Monday afternoon, I was at home. On Monday afternoon, I was at home. Look at here, on. On, it's a prepositions. If you have the day of week, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, any day, you should use on with the day of week, okay? Because we have Monday, you should use on with the day of week. On Monday afternoon, I was at home. Look at here. Again, we use was. Why? Because we have I, and this one is for past. I was in the park. I was in the park. Was, you should use with I, and it's for past. Again, on Tuesday evening, my brother and sister were at the shopping mall. Look at here. You have day of week, Tuesday, the day of week. And which preposition you should use? On. With the Tuesday, you should use on. On Tuesday evening, my brother and sister. Look at here. We have were. Why? Because we have my brother and sister. And they are plural, okay? Brother and sister. You should use were. At the shopping mall, for the shopping mall, you should use at, okay? Look at here, my brother and sister were at my aunt's house. Again, we have 2 nouns, my brother and sister. Brother and sister, okay? You should use were because we have plural, okay? It's about paragraph for the past. Write down a paragraph about your family. About your family. Last week, it's for past. Use last week, okay? And you have example here. Okay, look at this example. You can write another paragraph. Last week, but about your family. Your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, okay? Last week, on Saturday morning, my mother and father were at home. Why we used on here? Because we have Saturday, day of week, and on Saturday morning, my mother and father were at home. Why we used were here? Again, because it's past, it's talk about last week, because it's their plural, and we have mother and father, you should use were. And which prepositions with home you should use? At home, okay? And Monday, again, Monday is a day of week, and you should put it on Monday morning, my friends were at school, and again, my friends. Why we used were here? Because friends are plural, okay? Friends, you have s, plural, okay? You should use were. And why we use it were, was, because we have last week, it's about past. You can write another paragraph about your family, but last week, okay? Go to the Unit 12, Lesson 3 is about sound, pronunciation, how to say some letters. We have words with E, double E, as a E. Look at here. There are 13 sheep, double E as a E. There are 13 sheep between the trees. The tree is green, okay? You should pronounce as a E, okay? Number 2 is about the picnic. about the picnic. Okay, a happy day. A happy day. In March, there was a family picnic. It was Nowruz and we were very happy. It. You have it. With it, you should put was. It was Nowruz and we were. Because you have we, you should put were. We were very happy. Okay? And let's talk about March. There were 10 people on the picnic. Why we use it were in here? Because we have 10 people on the picnic. And the picnic was a long way from the city. The picnic was a long way. The picnic is a singular, you should put was, okay? The picnic was a long way from the city. It was next to the river. It was. We have was again, you should use was with it. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. Again, you have food. Food is a singular. The food was delicious. After the picnic, there were games. You have many games, okay? It's plural. S, we have S, so you should use a were. The games were fun. The games were fun. Because we have S, we know it's a plural noun. They were happy. We know with they, you should use were. That's for past, okay? This thing I read for you. The grass was very green. We know in spring the grass was very green. The flowers were very pretty. We were in the country a long way from the city. The sky was very blue. It was March picnic time. We were happy all day and everything was fine. Okay, it's a thing. I don't know how to say a thing, but I read for you. Unit 12. Again, it's about the part of country, the words for country. We have bridge, mountain, that's lake, trees, okay? We have hill, lake. Find the words with the country and preposition. Country, prepositions, at, on, in, and talk about your country. Talk about your country, in your country. For example, I like the Zagros Mountains. I like the Zagros Mountain. What about the river? Look at this dash. As examples, for examples, the Nile River is beautiful. What about the lake? Give me an example for the lake. We have Dukan Lake is near this town. Okay? And about the country, your country. Ask answer questions about your country. For example, do you like the Safin Mountains? Yes, I do. Where's the lake Dukan? I don't know. I don't know. Okay? Okay. Look at Unit 13, Lesson 1. We have some words for the beach. Okay? Unit 13, Lesson 1. We have some words for the beach. Look at here. It's beach. We have some words for the beach. For example, we have cliff. Look at here. This one is called cliff. And we have fence. Fence, okay? Look at here, we have fence. Did you see? Okay. And we have beach. There's a beach here. Okay, beside the sea, beside the sea. What is it? It's a beach. And there's a sea, there's a fish, there's a bird, boat, and rock, trainers, again bird, chair, table. We have flag, umbrella, and we have path. There's a path here. There's some words for the beach, dog. We have another bird. And number 2, say letters, say the words. Say letters, say the words. It's question and answer. One of them ask, another one answer. She said, what's the second letter is E, the fourth letter is C. What is it? Tell me the word. She said, beach. Look at here. The second letter is E. The first letter is B. The second letter is E. The fourth letter is C. First, second, third, fourth. The fourth letter is C. That's right. The fourth letter is C. That's right. Okay? Unit 13, lesson 1, we have many words. The first one is bird. Second one, dog. Okay? Chair. And we have table. There's an umbrella, fish, boat, bird, trainers, and cup, bird, sheep, another bird, and flag. What can you see on the path? What can you see? I can see a dog and a bird. I can see a dog and a bird. Playing guessing game, just like ask and answer. She said, I am thinking of something on the path. In her mind, she said, I am thinking of something on path in her mind. And is it the dog? He answered, is it the dog? She said, yes, it is. Yes, it is. You are right. Okay? 13, listen to, there's another conversation. They are making conversations together. Look at here, the first picture. He said, is there a problem? That means, do you have any problem? And he said, we are looking for my friend Oliver. We are looking for my friend Oliver. And he said, I was on the path to the cafe. He wasn't on the path. He talked about Oliver. He said, he talked about Oliver. Go to the second picture. And she said, where is he? I am worried. She said about the Oliver. And he said, phone the emergency number. He said, you can use this phone, Ruby. You can use this phone, Ruby. Here you are. And this one, hello. She said, hello, we are on the water for the World Charity Walk. We can find my brother. She is calling. Look at here. Unit 13, listen to. It's about he was at the sports center. He was at the sports center. Look at the second picture. They were at the park. They were at the park. The third picture, he was at the shopping mall. He was at the shopping mall. They were at the supermarket. They were at the supermarket. Okay. In your note, we'll write about your school this morning. This morning. At school this morning. For example, you can write, Derya wasn't in the classroom. He was in the yard. Okay? And you should write, for example, Ali and Sarah weren't in the yard. They were at the classroom. They were in the classroom. As you like, you can write another paragraph. Lesson 3 is about sound. Words with double letters. For example, double L, double P, double F, double P, double N. Okay? How can we read words with the double letters? The shopping mall is on the hill. The traffic lights are at the crossroads. A big pizza and a small apple for dinner. Okay? This is about sound and pronunciation. Look at it, there's a reading. It's about RNLI. Guess the meaning of the underlined word. Look at the first picture. This one is the RNLI headquarters are near the pole. Where is RNLI? It's near the pole. What's RNLI? It stands for R is for Royal, N is for National, L is for lifeboat and I is for institution. Okay, let's read this paragraph. The English coast, the beach, the cliffs, and the sea is very beautiful, but it can be very dangerous. The RNLI helps 10,000 people in trouble on the English coast every year. Sometimes the people are in trouble in the sea or on boats. Sometimes they are in trouble on the beach or on the cliffs. A lot of the people at the RNLI are volunteers. Do you know what's volunteers? It means some people work for free, okay, without any money. They work for free. It's a dangerous job, but the volunteers love it. RNLI volunteers are real heroes. Let's answer some questions. We have some questions. Where are the headquarters of the RNLI? You should write near the pool. Near pool, okay? How many people does the RNLI help every year? How many people? 10,000 people. Do RNLI volunteers get a lot of money? No, they don't. No, they don't. Is it a dangerous job? Yes, it is. Does the RNLI help people on the boats? Yes, it does. Okay? Unit 13, talk about helping people. We have many pictures. The first one is nurse, teacher. This is used for doctor, chef, and we have another word, park, school, hospital, restaurant, shopping mall, market, okay? And we have firefighter, and this one is policeman. This card is used for policeman. Choose the place for each person. Yesterday, it's about yesterday. The firefighter was in the park. Where's the firefighter? Was in the park. Okay, why we use was? Because we have firefighter and the firefighter is one person, singular. You should use was. The firefighter was in the park. The nurse was in the restaurant. Where's the nurse? The nurse was in the restaurant. Okay? And where is the doctor? And we know the doctor was in the hospital. The doctor was in the hospital. Number 3, play a memory game. Look out here. The firefighter was in the school. The firefighter was in the school. He wasn't in the school. He was in the park. Okay? Okay, that's the end of our program. Thank you for watching. I think this program is very useful for you. Goodbye. Have a nice time. See you.